Friends, are you living with urinary leakage? Are you living with urinary incontinence? And to take it forward in the journey, let's look into incontinence in children. So children could leak urine only because as a milestone disorder. Mother always teaches a child in that age group of 3 to 5 years how to control urine, how to reach to the washroom and be able to pass urine. And that's a milestone that is developed. And the development happens between the mother and a child. Unless there are various neurological problems and a child is leaking urine in the bed. Child is looking and mother has kept him on diapers. So urinary incontinence in children is a milestone disorder, is a neurological disorder. Something where the milestone is not getting developed and we need to understand this. And this incontinence can be 24/7. It will be in the morning, it will be in the afternoon, it will be in the evening, and the mother is tired. She goes and sees a pediatrician. She also goes and sees a urologist in her location. And the incontinence continues. And therefore, we need to identify the cause of incontinence. Why is a child leaking in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening? Is there an issue with the control mechanism? That means there is no control mechanism. Is there an issue with the bladder contracting erratically and the urine leaking out? Is there an issue with the spine and the nerves? Is what we need to know. And therefore, incontinence in children has to be identified at the outset. Because if the child is not continent, the child may not go to school. The child may be living on diapers. The child may be wet most of the time and therefore would not gain the morale and the confidence to take it forward to the next level. And therefore, if your child is leaking urine in very early age group, it is important for us to identify it, to take it forward in a journey by seeing a urologist, and the urologist would look at evaluating, doing a sonography, doing the urine test, looking at the spinal cord issues, looking at the kind of leakage the child has. Can the child control and still leaks? Can the child have no control and leaks completely? Are two different kind of formats altogether. So to take it forward, a child leaking urine is not acceptable. It could be leaking urine because the milestones are not developed. But as time goes by, the child is taught by the mother, taught by a doctor, and then finally we gain the control so that we don't wear diapers, we reach the washroom, we pass urine with a good speed, and the mother observes all that and comes and tells her doctor or urologist. So important for us to look at. A child does not stay on diapers, a child does not stay with incontinence, but there are times there could be a spinal problem called meningomyelocele, the fusion issues. There could be some brain issues. There could be some control and the sphincter issues, and there could be some genital issues. Issues which are only looked up and diagnosed by a urologist. And once that is picked up, we then go ahead with the treatment and structure the treatment according to the requirement. So this awareness today is for all parents, all mothers and the society, where incontinence in a child can be progressive, can be missed out, can be living with it. It's time that children don't live with incontinence. It's time for children to leave incontinence. Friends, incontinence is a very bothersome phenomena and a global health problem. And let our children not live with incontinence of urine. Thank you.